Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a haul video and reveal slash unboxing, unbagging video. I ordered one thing off eBay, which is PRELOVED. I went into Louis Vuitton today and picked up something that I've been eyeing, and I also just got a little something from Bath and Body Works. So let's start off with the thing that I got from eBay. So basically I got the Trousse 18. That's what it looks like. It's not too bad. The condition looks pretty good. I might just have to go over it with some brass cleaner because the zipper is kind of, it could use some work, and also the zipper pull here. It's with some brass cleaner, and you can tell by the shine it looks much better. I'll probably go over it a couple more times. Since it's such a vintage piece, the brass isn't going to be as gold as the zipper pull, unfortunately, but I mean, at least it has a really nice shine to it. So this is a size 18. I can't really smell anything because I am sick, so my scent doesn't really, okay, at the moment I can kind of smell like a swimming pool. The leather is really thick. So this is the interior. It's actually pretty clean. I'm pretty happy and surprised with that, because you know how sometimes on the listings of things that you buy, it's not really to what they have posted. So it could use with like a good wipe down. And it has the little made in France little tag right here. And then it has the actual date code, and it says here 8/52. Hopefully you dolls can see 8/52. Maybe you can see it, I'm not sure, but yeah, just having a quick look. I might go over it, definitely going to go over it with the brass cleaner, but the zipper's really nice and smooth. It's nice and smooth, and it's a really good size. I have the 28 or 23, so this is just the perfect size for your bag. You can just put all your little toiletries in here, or even you can use this as like a clutch bag, because it's really like small and compact. You can just put your phone, your wallet, like some lipsticks, and yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with it. It's not too bad for the condition and the price that I got it. It just does need a little clean. So this is the Trousse 18. Yay! So that's that. This is the PRELOVED one that I got. Moving on to, yay, my wonderful SA. She still had the holiday packaging, which is absolutely amazing, and she still also had the initials, so I'm so happy she added K and F, and yeah. So here's what the inside looks like. I also have my proof of purchase right here. No one really shows it anymore, but if you're that into seeing my proof of purchase, here it is. And let's get on to the unboxing. Okay. Oh, she's so nice. She put it in this beautiful drawer box, and again it has the gorgeous ribbon. I'm not sure if you guys will know what this is. There it is. So excited. Okay. So, here is a dust bag. And I also haven't really seen this around on YouTube or Instagram, so yeah. To reveal, what is it? Ta-da! So this, my beautiful babes, is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Paul cover. It's pretty much like your agenda, but it doesn't have the rings inside, and it has a buckle like the S-lock on the Pochette Metis. So I feel like that is absolutely gorgeous. So it has the beautiful vachetta like leather strap here, so it'll age wonderfully over time. And as you open it, it has a stunning red interior. So here is where you would put your notebook, in this flap and also in here. So I will show you the SKU. Here's just the textile card, coated fabric, cowhide leather trim and interior lining. There we go. And then here is the SKU. There we go. So this is pretty much like the same size as the agenda, I believe. I honestly just love the S-lock. It's such a gorgeous touch. I originally had this on hold, the epi leather, and it has silver hardware, and I was like, if only it came in the monogram. And sure enough, my friend actually found it, thanks Anne, and she like showed me it, and then I sent a photo over to my SA, and it came in super fast. So I'm happy to have this in my collection, so I'm able to just put in any notebook or diary that I want. This is the Monogram Paul cover, and yeah, so nice. I also wanted to mention some lashes that I've been loving. I'm currently using the lashes, one of the pair of lashes that I got from Desire Lashes, so I'll link the details down below. This is not sponsored or anything, I just absolutely love their lashes. And I'm currently using the Candice lash, and it's just super nice and super fluffy. And ever since I've like started using 3D lashes, I just haven't gone back to my Ardells, because I love Ardell wispies, but they're so two-dimensional. I just, every time I put it on, I'm like, ew, it doesn't make a difference. But with these, they make all the difference. So I ordered 4 pairs, and they've gone up in price, I'll have to say. They were originally, I think, $14.99 each, and now they're $16.99 each, which I guess because they're in demand, they're getting popular. Of course they've got to put up the price, so understandable. So I got 4. I'm wearing the Candice. I also have the Alexa, but I can't be bothered getting it. But I've also got here the Nickies. I love the Nickies. They're so stunning. I feel focus. There we go. And these are 100% cruelty-free mink lashes, handcrafted with love. And that is the website, desirelashes.com.au. And then I've tried the Nickies before, I love them, but I tried these ones. These are called Scarlet, and they're full on, they're like fully thick and gorgeous. So I'm real excited to see that. I'll open it so you guys can see how like 3D they are, because they are stunning. So these are the Scarlets. Check them out. They are so stunning. And look how fluffy they are. Like, that is absolutely amazing. They look so natural on. They're absolutely gorgeous. Yay! So I'm excited to try these, put them on my eyes, and yeah. So these are the lashes that I'm currently loving. And I'm not sure if they ship internationally, so make sure you check out their website. So last thing is from Bath & Body Works. I only got 2 things from here because they were having a sale 60% off, 50 to 60% off some stuff. But last time I went, I bought like literally 9 hand soaps, 9 or 10 hand soaps, because they were only $4.80 each, and they're usually $12. So I stocked up for the whole year. I don't really need to buy anything else, but I just saw this. I paid $37 in total. Okay, so I will tell you the discount. The discounts are insane. Okay. So basically, I got this Bath & Body Works Almond and Vanilla, natural almond oil, whipped body butter. That's what it looks like. It smells so good, man. Ooh, look at that whip. Oh, it smells amazing. It's so nice and thick and creamy. This is absolutely to die for. This scent, almond and vanilla, woo, so nice. So this, my friends, this was originally $30, half price, 15 bucks. Okay, next thing that I got is this Tahiti Island Dream. I have the fragrance mist of this, and once I saw the perfume, I was like, oh my god, it's so nice. So we get it out. Ooh, the bottle's so cute. Here's the bottle. Oh my gosh, it smells, oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, Tahiti Dream. This is absolutely amazing. Perfect summer scent. Absolutely perfect summer scent. This, my friends, was originally $56, and this is 50 ml, and it's eau de parfum, which is incredible. Originally $56, 60% off, down to $22.40. $22.40, like, is that a joke? So I got it. It was the last one left as well. So this is what I got from Bath & Body Works. So happy with my purchases. Thank you again so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, all the OG babes. I love you. Thanks for all your support, your sweet comments, and also if you're new, welcome. My name is Kat, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified of whenever I upload next, which hopefully will be more frequent. And yeah, so I hope you guys are having an awesome day or night wherever in the world you are, and thanks again for all your support. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.